All right, we are going to open up the Midnight Solar MN PowerFlo5. This battery just came in. It is brand new, and this is my first time seeing it. So this is going to be a pretty exciting to take a look. This new battery. So we will see what we got. Yep. So on the side here, we got some of the part numbers. Class 9 hazmat. Looks like we have some of our shipping label. It came on a truck freight, and another label over here. I'm not sure the difference. And then just one piece of tape across the top. Opens up real easy. All right. So let's see. We got, start things off. We got our user's manual, which is right here, and an inspection report. So let's just take a look at the manual here real quick. It's, let's see, server rack battery. So anyway, we'll look through this when we get a chance. That'll be fun. And so I'm thinking about doing this series of videos where I just read the product manual and comment on it. I think it's going to be hilarious. All right, we got some really, really small battery lugs. These, man, what are we going to do with these guys? That's, I can't even tell what size that, I mean, I can read the size here. It's SC35-8. That is a small battery lug. But, I guess that would not be for parallel. So we'll see how this works, because we have I think 100 amp of current coming out of this battery. So that's a really small lug. And then we have some of these communication terminals. So there's 4 of these terminals here. So it looks like we might be making up some type of cable potentially with these, some type of communication cable. We'll save these to the side. And then we have, it looks like a grounding wire and some more communication cables. So yeah, this is our ground wire. And then we have small unlabeled jumper. So this is probably, I'm guessing, for paralleling between the batteries, or the comm cable between the batteries. And this one is inverter, pin 4 can high, pin 5 can low. And here's on the battery, pin 4 can high, pin 5 can low. So it's kind of a thin communication cable. Oh yeah, because what's interesting is that it looks just like it would like an Ethernet cable, but they only have 2 cables going through it, because you only need the 2 for the CAN bus here. So that's interesting. It saves some wire. So that's what we got in terms of the wire. And then let's take the foam off. Foam packaging. Okay, that feels decent. Feels like a nice packing. All right. And we got a bag on some of these do not eat gels. All right. So then we got a couple handles on either side. How's the best way to get this up and out? I'm just pulling from the handle there, tilting up. We'll bring the bag down. All right. Wow. Whew. Yep. Things are heavy. So this is, 5 kilowatt hour battery, 100 amp hour, IP20. So this is an indoor product unless you have a special box for it. So the recommended charge, 56.16, and the float at 54, and the low DC cutoff at 46. So it's nice that's printed right on there. Let's see if I can get this up and out. Oh, yeah. That's heavy. Oh, all right. Oh, yeah. Whew. That is a lot of battery. Okay. So, bring it. What we got here, we got our power terminals. They have a locking top on them. I'll unscrew that. And unscrew that. So we are positive, negative there. Power button. We have CAN bus 45, link in, link out. So it's probably going battery to battery. Console, which I haven't read the manual yet, but I'm pretty sure that that is for debugging and whatnot. And what's interesting, it's got its own 125 amp breaker built in, a natter breaker, which is interesting. So it's got the power button and it's got some built-in overcurrent protection, which I can't say that I've seen that before on one of this style batteries. So that is that's interesting. All right, so I think that will be it for now. There's lots of fun we can have with this, checking it out. You got your ground, a terminal set to go. There's some LEDs across here. There's an alarm. It looks like that may be a state of charge type meter. You got the Midnight Solar logo, and that's about it. So there's screws all around. I'm pretty sure I know. Well, oh, now there's a void if removed sticker that so if you were to take the top off, which is what I was wanting to do, we would void the warranty. So I don't know if I want to do that, but maybe we could find some of these void if removed labels online and get some of those. All right, that's it.